Are you looking for the best neti pots for colds in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best neti pots for colds. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dr. Hana's Nasopure Nasal Wash Little Squirt Kit. When children experience nasal congestion from colds, allergies, or sinus problems, they feel uncomfortable and irritable. Rest assured that you can treat their symptoms naturally, without medication or chemicals. The Nasopure nasal wash system was developed by Dr. Hana, MD, a pediatrician who wanted to provide a natural alternative to prescription drugs or over-the-counter medications for his young patients. Dr. Hana recommends this nasal wash for children as young as age 2. Using the squeeze bottle, you can deliver a gentle and pleasant nasal cleansing experience for your children. The squeeze bottle is made from plastic that is safe, BPA-free, and 100% recyclable. Each package includes a 4-ounce Nasopure bottle and cap along with 20 salt packets. Each packet contains 3.75 grams of highly buffered salt for mixing with lukewarm, distilled, sterile, or boiled water. Moving on at number 4. We have the Grossan HydroPulse Nasal and Sinus Irrigation System. With this electric nasal and sinus irrigation system from Grossan, you can relax and let the machine do the work. It provides a gentle and pleasant pulsating action that is proven to make the cilia in your nasal passages function better. Use this electric nasal irrigation system to eliminate excess mucus, pollen, allergens, and foreign particles that enter your sinuses and nasal passages from the air in your environment. The system features a base unit that measures 8 inches by 8 inches by 6 inches and weighs 2.4 pounds. It uses 110-volt, 120-volt electricity. The handheld wand offers 2 sinus tips and 2 throat tips. The throat tips facilitate tongue cleaning for breath control. It also includes 30 pre-mixed sinus rinse packets. Each packet contains a mixture of sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, xylitol, potassium chloride, and calcium chloride. At number 3, we have the Health Solutions SinuPulse Elite Advanced Nasal Sinus. Here's an advanced electric nasal irrigation system from Health Solutions to remove excess mucus, allergens, and impurities from your nasal passages. It features a 24-ounce water tank for less frequent refills along with nasal tip attachments for throat or sinus irrigation. The system delivers 1,200 pulses per minute to provide gentle but thorough cleaning action via an oscillating rinse. Use distilled, sterile, or boiled water in the tank to prevent the introduction of organisms into nasal or sinus passages. For added peace of mind, the water tank is made from BPA-free plastic. The system includes a 30-day supply of Sinu Air powdered saline solution that mixes with the water. It's registered with the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and approved by Underwriters Laboratories, UL. And, if the air in your environment contains irritants, this nasal irrigation system is known to remove industrial and environmental pollutants from your nasal passages as well as excess mucus and common allergens. At number 2, we have the SinuCleanse Soft Tip Neti Pot Nasal Wash System. This plastic, manual neti pot from SinuCleanse looks like a tiny, clear teapot. The plastic is free of BPA and latex. A soft nasal tip creates a comfortable experience as the neti pot delivers soothing saline solution to your nasal passages. SinuCleanse includes 30 packets of buffered saline to mix with lukewarm, distilled, or sterile water in the neti pot. Made with sodium bicarbonate USP and sodium chloride USP, this pharmaceutical-grade saline is preservative-free. The saline packets are manufactured in a facility registered with the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, using 100% all-natural ingredients. Additionally, the saline is created with a pH-balanced formula, resulting in a gentle, soothing irrigation experience that does not cause burning or stinging. And finally at number 1. We have the Navage Nasal Hygiene Essentials Bundle. Conveniently achieve nasal hygiene with this battery-powered Neti Pot from Navage. It runs on 2 included AA batteries. Simply fill the upper tank with lukewarm, distilled, or sterile water and insert a Navage salt pod capsule. You don't need to mix the salt and water because the device will do it for you. Next, insert the 2 nasal tips into your nose, and push a button on the side of the device. The battery-powered pumping and suction action pushes the saline solution into one nostril, through your nasal passages, and out the other nostril. Unlike manual Neti Pots, the saline solution exiting your nasal passages does not run out into the sink. Instead, it runs into a lower water tank in the Navage device. Therefore, there's no mess. When you're finished, empty and clean the water tanks and remove the nasal tips for cleaning. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.